how to quickly create multiple camera angles from just one image. What's up, everyone? Today I'm showing you the fastest way to create different camera angles in Nano Banana Pro from a single image. Perfect for commercials, films, any video project. It's super simple and quick. Plus, a few pro tips at the end about working with Nano Banana. I'll be doing this through Gemini. How to get a 12-month subscription to all Google AI tools. There's already a video about that on my channel. Select Nano Banana, choose your main image that we'll use to create the storyboard, and enter the prompt. The prompt will be in the description. We'll create images in 9:16 format. That's the format for Instagram and TikTok. On the 7th attempt, I got a result I'm happy with. A grid image with 6 different angles of a woman in red. Now we take this image, paste it into Gemini, and enter a new prompt. It will also be in the video description. With this prompt, we'll select the images we need by specifying the number of the image we want. Nano Banana is a pretty smart AI. It understands all of this. In each request, we send our storyboard image and specify in the prompt which images we want to get and in what format. If the AI makes a mistake with the frame number, try to describe as clearly as possible what exactly is shown in the grid fragment you need. Now that you have a set of individual frames from different angles, you can animate them or use them to edit a dynamic video. This speeds up the pre-production process tremendously. Now, let's move on to the pro tip at the end. Notebook LM, a very useful tool from Google. It can help with content creation, both creating something based on your requests and reviewing your content to give suggestions. It can watch videos, listen to audio and music, and view photos. I mostly use it for writing prompts for AI animation. You can upload video for it to analyze. Right now, I've uploaded a single frame clip from the video with the woman in red. But if it was a more complex video, we could ask for help with editing, suggestions on what to fix, what to improve, and so on. Sometimes it gives really useful advice. You can also upload one image or a whole set and ask it to write animation prompts for these images that we can then use in our films and projects. And that's it. Hope you have great success using AI and create quality work. Subscribe to the channel. There will be tons of pro tips and tutorials on using AI tools coming up. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out.